Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you new Wicked Emerald Runway in Dresden Press new Wicked update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Wicked update has been dropped in Dresden Press and the admin has added new runway, and I'm going to show you the new runway guys that you can try. First thing first, you can go to the free play mode so you can try the runway. I'm going to click on open menu and select walk the runway, and these are the new runways. The first one is the Wicked Forest. Okay, I'm going to show you the Wicked Forest, and this is the runway that usually appear. And then the second one, I'm going to show you the Wicked Emerald. Wait, I'm going to click on walk the runway and Wicked Emerald, confirm. Okay, and this is how the Wicked Emerald looks like. And yeah, that's so cool. You can take a picture here guys, and I'm going to pose. Let's try the Wicked Pose pack. Okay, and you can take a picture here if you want. Just go to the setting. Oops, we cannot take a picture here. Okay, you can take a screenshot. And okay guys, that's how the Wicked Emerald runway looks like. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.